In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods to Shopify store. By the end, you'll have secure payment options enabled so customers can check out with confidence. First, open your Shopify admin. On the lower left, select Settings, then Payments. This is your control center for everything related to how you get paid, from the providers you use to the methods your customers see at checkout. Next, add a provider. Click Add Payment Methods or Add Provider. The wording may vary slightly depending on your setup, but both buttons lead you into the same setup flow where you'll connect a gateway or wallet. Now choose your payment options. Use the search bar to find the gateway or wallet you want. Common choices include major credit and debit cards through a gateway, PayPal, and digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Availability depends on your business location and currency, so if something doesn't appear, it may not be supported in your region. When in doubt, check the provider's help documentation to confirm your products and country are eligible and to see any special requirements. Then enter your account details. Each provider asks for different information. This can include business name and address, banking details for payouts, and secure credentials such as IDs or keys issued by the provider. Type carefully, paste secrets only into the fields that request them, and double check your payout currency and contact information. If the provider requires verification, complete any identity or business checks so payouts won't be delayed. When everything looks good, activate the provider. Click Activate to turn on that payment method for checkout. If you're setting up more than one, repeat the same process and arrange them in the order you prefer customers to see. Remember that customers tend to complete purchases more often when they recognize trusted options, so prioritize the methods your audience uses most. Finally, test your checkout. Add a product to cart from your storefront, proceed to checkout, and choose one of the payment methods you activated. If your gateway supports test mode or sandbox credentials, enable those for a risk-free trial. Otherwise, place a small real order and immediately refund it after confirming everything works. Check that the order appears in your Shopify orders, the payment shows as authorized or paid, and that any confirmation emails or receipts are delivered correctly. Before you wrap up, glance over the provider's transaction fees, supported currencies, and payout schedule in its dashboard so you know exactly when funds will land in your account. With those steps, your store is ready to securely accept payments from customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.